In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your browser and head to the image generation area. Once you're there, the first important choice is the model. For logo design, you'll want to avoid photorealistic photography models because those are built for lifelike scenes rather than clean branding visuals. Instead, choose a model that works well for flat graphics, 2D art, and vector style results. Albedo Base XL is a great choice for clean modern vector graphics, emblems, and mascot logos. Leonardo Phoenix works well if you want sharper geometric shapes or want to try short text. Dreamshaper V8 is better suited for more detailed crests, gaming logos, or fantasy-inspired designs. Next, look over to the left panel and set the aspect ratio to 1:1, or square. This is one of the most useful formats for logo creation because it gives you a balanced canvas and works well for icons, profile images, and brand marks. After that, set the number of images to 4. This gives you multiple variations in a single generation, which is helpful when you're exploring different layouts and visual directions without having to redo the process one image at a time. Now it's time to write your prompt. This part matters a lot because AI tends to create busy, complicated scenes unless you guide it carefully. To keep the output logo-friendly, use restrictive keywords like flat vector, minimalist, and white background. A simple prompt structure to follow is logo type, then core subject, then style modifiers, and finally background control. That format helps keep your prompt focused and the result much cleaner. If you want the design to resemble a specific person, click on Image Guidance and upload a real photo to steer the generator more accurately. Once everything is set, click Generate and let Leonardo create your logo concepts.